So that paradigm shift came a few years ago. We've been doing a lot of work, and the first baby that was born of that application of this new science to nutrition science was our vitality product. So as you age, what's one of the first things that you notice? Not about how you look. I mean, I guess there's two problems with aging, right? You start to look older, and you start to feel older, right? And the number one thing that people complain about as they get older is a loss of energy. They don't quite have that vitality that they felt when they were younger. You know, you see young people there. Yeah, young people still look tired, they still yawn, they still sort of sleep in class. But it's only because they're burning the candle at both ends still, right? But basically, a younger person seems to be able to go longer, have more vitality. So in focusing on that, we thought this is the perfect place to start with this gene expression approach, because we're going to be able to see if it works with the product, with the thing that we finally come up with. So as we applied this, we looked at the mitochondria, looked at genes that affect mitochondria as they age, and we do know that the mitochondria become less efficient as you age. So they consume more fuel, produce less energy, produce more free radical metabolic byproducts. So they just become less efficient. So like a car that's getting older and starting to blow smoke. So how can you change that? I mean, these are organelles within the cell. The best way is to look at the blueprints for that and see if you can affect those blueprints and have a more faithful reproduction of those blueprints to make a good mitochondria, right? So that's where the gene expression science comes in. So understanding now 1,000 genes that affect mitochondria, screening for those changes that occur between a young and an old animal, and then screening for ingredients that actually help to reset those important genes back to a more youthful patch. So we're really excited because those 3 ingredients that rose to the top in those screens, far more exciting than we even thought, were the cordyceps sinensis, the ginseng, panax ginseng, and the pomegranate extract, which is full of, which is standardized to flavonoids. So as we put those ingredients together, found that those have the greatest effect on mitochondrial function, then putting this product together and seeing if it actually works. And the proof's in the pudding, really. We've done some pilot clinical studies. We're almost finished another. We've got a lot of animal work that also shows that this formula put together actually does have a fantastic effect. We're getting a lot of feedback from people that are taking the product. So that's our, really in context, that's where we began. But it's really just the beginning of the story. We're already working on other things that are related to an understanding of gene expression and aging.